All right, this video is going to talk about symmetry. Right here is the teaks that we're going to talk about. And we have this bird here. It looks like we've got perfect lines of symmetry. So over here on the left are some examples of symmetry. Notice that if we were to fold these shapes along where these arrows are, that both sides of the arrow would match up exactly the same. Over here are some non-examples. In other words, these are not examples of symmetry. So how would you define symmetry? Well, the definition that we have is symmetry is a figure is known a figure is symmetrical if it can be folded on a line of symmetry to whom two congruent halves that fit on top of each other, thus showing a reflection of each other. That's a really complicated definition. So here it is. Is this side the same as this side? Exactly the same. Is this side the same as this side, etc.? Is this side the exact same as this side? Okay? It has to be to a T. It has to be a reflection of it, like it was looking in a mirror. So a line of symmetry can be drawn through a figure so that one side is a mirror image, reflection of the other. It's also known as the fold line. So there's three ways that we can view this fold line, this line of symmetry. We can look at them horizontally, diagonally, or vertically. So here are some horizontal lines of symmetry. Horizontal going straight across like this. Okay? This letter B, if I fold it from the top down to the top matches the bottom exactly. The triangle, not as much. Take a look at these diagonal lines of symmetry. Diagonally like this, yes. Over here, no. What about vertical lines of symmetry? This side matches this side perfectly. This side does not match this side perfectly. So can we draw a line of symmetry on this heart? Yes, we can. I could draw a line of symmetry straight down like that. What about Africa? No. No lines of symmetry on Africa. So let's take a look at the heart. So on this first example of the heart, is that a line of symmetry? Yes. The second one, is that a line of symmetry? Is the top the same as the bottom? No. The third one, is there a diagonal line of symmetry? No. So how many lines of symmetry are in the following figures? Well, our pentagon, I've got one line there, one line there. That makes that 3, 4, 5 lines of symmetry. On this A, that's a bad example, but there's one line of symmetry, and on this arrow there's one line of symmetry. So on the pentagon I had horizontal, vertical, and diagonal. On the A it was all vertical, and on the arrow it was all vertical. Okay? If you have any questions, please write it down on your whisk and bring it to class.